Sunrise paints the kitchen gold, another day begins. Your story's brave and strong and old, echoing within. Vietnam, a distant war, a Sargent's steady hand fought for what you believed in, for our promised land. Agent Orange, a silent foe, crept into your frame, but in your eyes a vibrant glow never lost its flame. Oh Dad, you taught me how to fly, with laughter in your soul, even when the clouds drew nigh. You made the broken whole, your humor was a guiding light through every shadowed year, smiling through the darkest night, chasing away all fear. Joke you told, the twinkle in your eye, a spirit brave, a heart of gold, reaching for the sky. 2022, the final call, a quiet, gentle sleep, but memories, they stand up tall, promises to keep. We miss your voice, your warm embrace, the wisdom of your smile, but for your courage, time and space with us for a while. Oh Dad, you taught me how to fly, with laughter in your soul, even when the clouds drew nigh. You made the broken whole, your humor was a guiding light through every shadowed year, smiling through the darkest night, chasing away all fear. Though the pain of loss may sting, a legacy you made, a strength and joy, a song to sing, a love that will not fade. Every laugh a whispered prayer, a testament to you, through every challenge, every care, your spirit shining through.